Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio and subtitle language on the Far Cry 5 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Far Cry 5 game on your device. And after the game is loaded, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, if you wish to change the language, then you will simply need to click on the options menu, which is the fifth menu from the top. After clicking on this, you can click on the audio option and you will now see the languages that you can change for your audio as well as subtitles. Just click on the left and the right buttons to swipe through the languages that are available, and once you have chosen your desired language for both the audio and subtitles, you can go back and start your game. And now your audio language as well as subtitle that you have chosen will be applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio and subtitle language on the Far Cry 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.